Hello guys, this is a rare electrical and power solution. You have a control circuit. This is a latching of a conductor, and up here we have a phase. Then there is a fuse, the start button, the stop button, then the start button, then the contactor or the coil of the conductor. This is neutral, the neutral bar, and this one is the normally open of the conductor. So when you come here, we are going to use this breaker here as our fuse. Then from the breaker we have the stop button. There it is. Then we have the start button. Then we have the conductor. So we want I've already wired the conductor from the double pole or the fuse. You have your phase. You connect your phase to terminal 1 here, terminal 1 of your stop button. Then from terminal 2 we have two wires. As you can see here, there are two wires from terminal 2. The first wire is going to 13. So the first wire is going to our conductor. This is our first wire to terminal 13 here. This is our normally open. Then we have the second wire. The second wire that is coming to 3. That one is joining now the start button. So we have this wire here. It's joining here to 3 of our start button. Then we have, when you check here, we have now another wire from 4 of the start button to 14. This is our wire here to terminal 14 here. Then from 14 we have a wire that is joining to our A1 of the conductor. So from 14 we have this wire here, 14 to our A1 of the conductor, which is here. Then we have to connect the neutral, which is this one now. From this terminal here, this is our neutral. Now from the neutral block we connect to A2, which is here, the A2. Now if we start our conductor, when we press, when we put it on here, then we press our start button, the conductor will engage. This means when we have our phases present at L1, L2, L3, this means they will now be connected to our T1, T2, T3 as the power circuit. So we can as well stop the power from energizing the coil from a stop button. So you can put it off like that, and you can still put it on from this point. So you can do that. It's a simple setup. You can use it to control some few things, maybe your lighting, maybe your pump. So welcome, guys. That is that for today. It's called the latching of a conductor, and we welcome you guys to subscribe to our channel. That is Ray Electrical and Power Solution. Kindly like, share, and also we welcome you also to follow us on our YouTube page, our Facebook page. That is Ray Electrical and Power Solution. That is for today. That is the setup for today. We shall try and combine it the next time as we move on. Thank you and welcome you all. Bye.